Okay, so we got this is the orthopedic bed. There you go, Moxie. And plastic. All right, so we got the Gunner Kennel Intermediate. And we're gonna open this. It says no knives, so that's perfect. So we'll not use a knife at all. How are you supposed to open this with a knife, though? Alright. Woo, Moxie. Alright. Oh, wow. Oh, heck yes. Alright. So we got, I think this is what, the top? Yeah, gotta be. Alright. Oh, that's heavy duty. Okay, so that's the top. And then we got some of our accessories in here too. Kennel collateral. Okay. We got the door. Alright, we don't need that yet. This side. Okay. This is your new home, Moxie. This is your new home. Oh, what's this, Moxie? Some little vent. That's right, that'll come right out. There you go, Moxie. So right here. Perfect. Alright, what else do we get? Alright, so we got the kennel ball too, because she's going to be flying to Switzerland. And then the, ooh, this is some weight. This is the chew kit. We'll put that off to the side for a second. Alright, so we did get the performance pad as well as the orthopedic. So this will go down on the bottom and be used when things get a little muddier. But then the orthopedic pad so she can be comfortable. Alright. It says in here, don't remove this until you're absolutely sure. Alright, so this is the bottom. Alright, so we were kind of in between sizes, Moxie. Moxie, come here. Come here. Come here. Over here. Place. Moxie. Come here. Come here. In here. No, you don't want to get okay. We'll wait on that. No need to push you into it. All right. So go like that. Nice. That's pretty good. Yeah, that'll be sweet. What do you think?
Pretty cool. Looks really sturdy.
Yeah, right. I don't know what this. Oh, these are probably handles. Yeah, let's look in here. Here's the hardware. Oh, little koozie. Alright, so this is all the hardware and the lock. And a $20 off coupon, nice. Alright. So got this. This is just, yeah, it's not hard. So that's all good. Alright, we need to make sure that Moxie feels comfortable in here before we... Alright, let me go get some treats.
Here, I'm gonna pause it.
No, you can just leave it. You can just run it. Just run it. Because you can always,
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, Moxie, you're gonna love these Lizard treats. Mmm. Come here. Go get it. Come here.
Yes.
Good girl. Yes. Yes, good girl. Where's the other one? Yes.
Good job.
Yes, go get it. Alright, let's get a small one.
Yes.
Yes,
Good
good
girl.
girl. Yes. Go get it. Okay. Mm-mm. Over here. Come. Yes, good girl. Hey, Moxie. Yes, come on. Come on. That's what we're gonna do. I'm surprised she's not so into this grape. Come here.
Too smart. Too smart.
Mm-mm. No, come here. Here, go around. Yep. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Girl.
Go on. Yes. Good girl. Yep.
Good girl, Moxie. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good job.
Good girl. Good girl. All right, come on. Kennel.
Yes.
Moxie, kennel. Yes, come here. Okay. Hey, here. Kennel. Go. Moxie. Kennel. Go. Go on.
Don't push.
Yes. Kennel.
Yes.
Yes.
Good girl.
Okay.
Yes.
Good girl.
Yay! Big praise, big praise. Okay, back in.
Kennel.
Again. Yes, good girl. Big praise.
Moxie, kennel. 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 Yes.
Good girl.
Moxie, kennel. Kennel. Come here.
Moxie. Here, baby.
Alright. Here.
Good girl.
Yes. In.
Good girl.
Moxie, kennel.
Good girl.
Kennel.
Good
Yes, good girl.
Yes,
Yes, good girl.
Good job.
Good girl, Moxie. Yes. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Good girl, Moxie. Yes. Yes, good girl. Yay. Yay. Good girl. Yay.
Okay, stop.
Good job, Moxie. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, go for it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Okay, count up. Moxie, count up. Yes, good girl. Yes, sit. Down. Yes, good girl. Oh, she's got room, yeah? I think she's going to be fine.
Yeah.
Yes, good girl.
Now ask her for a stay, and then
Stay.
we'll give her a treat.
Down.
All the way.
Down. Yes.
All right. So looks like she has room to turn around.
Yeah, totally.
Um,
Yeah, I think this is fine.
small. Is it just big enough so she can stand? Is that the other one?
Moxie, stand. Here. Stand.
Good girl. Let's see. Yep, definitely enough room to stand. She is at 21 inches, I think.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
So I
Yes,
think that's
good
the other
girl.
thing is we'll put the therapeutic pad in.
Sit.
And see.
Moxie, sit. Down. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, she can sit all the way down.